Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video we will go over some basic ways to take advantage of the coordinate system in LusoCAD, so our drafting is always as effective and effortless as possible. First, let's imagine we want to draw a line from this corner of our object to a specific coordinate, not a relative one but an absolute one. This is as simple as drawing a regular line, but using the number sign before inputting the coordinates, always separated by a comma. To check if our line was properly drawn, we use another very useful command, the ID command. Simply input ID and click the end of our line. As we can see, our line ends exactly at 10 by 10. Now, let's imagine we want to move an object to a specific coordinate. Let's say we want to move this circle to the origin point, so 0 by 0 in the XY plane. To do this, we can use the same method as before, using the number sign. But for this case, we will show you an alternate way to do it. We must first enable dynamic input below and access its settings. Once in this menu, click Pointer Input Settings. Here we have to activate Cartesian format and absolute coordinates. We save our changes. Now we use the Move command as usual. And input 0, 0. And let's check now if the object was correctly moved. Since this is a circle and not a polyline, the ID command might be cumbersome to use, so we use the list command to get the object properties. And here we can clearly see that the circle center point is 0 by 0. These were just a few ways to navigate coordinates in LusoCAD. There are many more ways to interact with absolute and relative coordinates. That was all for this lesson. Keep watching the course to further your LusoCAD skills.